This is a video on how to fix forms with any missing data error. Example, gender, date of birth, and age. Once you log into one of our programs, over on the left-hand side is where all of the assessed people are located. I have created an assessed person named Tim Curtis. He has a form that is a child behavior checklist, which has been filled out, but when I try to score it, it will come up with the error. So when I try to score the report, so here is the error that you will get when age or gender scores are missing. So we're going to close out of this page. We're going to go back to the form, make sure that the assessed person is highlighted, the form that has the error is highlighted, and you're going to click on key entry. Okay, so the CBCL has opened up and the error is always on the first page. So it's under child information with the CBCL. So you can just go down to the child's gender. I'm going to put boy, child's age, and put 10. And the date of birth, I'll make him 10. And then I will save and close. And then I will highlight that form once again, and then I will click on Score Report. So here you will have the scored report for the CBCL. And this has been a video on how to fix missing data for any form.